G'day, this is Jason here from 4XPipSnager 2.0, and today is Saturday, October 21st, 2017. Anyway, we're going to take a look at the charts here. I didn't do it. Usually I do it on Tuesday and Thursday, but I didn't do the first video until Wednesday, as I was busy on Tuesday. So I didn't get around to doing it yesterday on Friday, so I'm doing it today on Saturday. So here we go. So we're looking at the pound yen, okay? So we're going to cover the last 2 days because we covered from Sunday to Wednesday. So here's Thursday, okay? And here's the first trade right here. Crash down, boom. Sell it. There's the gap. Stop up there, never even went up there, came all the way down. You had 120 pips potential there. You never would have done this trade because you made so much on this one. Then, okay, we waited for price to come back up, because that's what you do. You sell high and you buy low. That's how you do this. That's the old saying, buy low, sell high, okay? Even though they're referring to stocks where you buy them at a low price and sell them later at a very high price to some other person. But in Forex, okay, you make money on both sides of the coin. Okay, you make money selling and you can make money buying, as you know. So the way to do it in Forex is you sell high and you buy low. So anyway, you would have got in right here, okay, and it went up 147 pips. So you had 147 pips potential in this trade, and there was many advanced ForexPipSnager trades all the way up. Okay, over here there wasn't, because it just basically dropped like a rock. There was one right here, okay, and another one here, and another one here, but not as many as all the way up here. So anyways, that's the pound yen. Let's take a look at the pound. So the pound, we would have sold it right here, okay, after it broke through that support right there. Boom, shakalak. Came back up to the trigger line. We sold it. There's 63 pips. You would have made your 2-to-1 win-loss ratio, okay? Here's a buy right here, okay? But I wouldn't have done it because I already made pips here, okay? That's what I'd say. I teach in my manual that if you do one trade and it's a winner, it's like one and done, and you're done for that day, okay? So anyway, the next day, the next trade would have been right here, okay? You would have bought it here, and up it went, 70 pips, and you almost got 2-to-1 win-loss ratio on that one. Let's take a look now at the yen. Remember now, the yen was very choppy, very choppy, so we switched up. Like I teach in my manual, if 15 minutes too choppy, you move up to the 30. If the 30 is too choppy, you move up to the 60. If the 60 is too choppy, you go all the way to the 4-hour. You can even trade it on the daily if you want, okay? So I decided to up it to the 4-hour because it was too choppy. It wasn't going anywhere. So anyway, it gave a buy trade up here, right here. Okay, let me put the line here where we would have cleared through the resistance, which is right here, but it never gave the gap here until here. So if you would have got long right there, your pips potential on the 4-hour doesn't look like it, but it was 77 pips. And as you can see, never went back down here, 100 pips. Your stop would have been 100 pips. You got 89 pips right there potential, okay? So that was one winning trade with the entry right there on that candle. Now let's take a look at gold on the 15-minute, okay? So on gold, okay, if you sold it in here, right here, okay, actually you would have sold it here because you would have waited for a price to clear through this support right here. So right here, you closed below it, you would have got short. Yeah, the gap's right here, you would have got short here. It went down 31 pips, but you would have been expected to take a profit right at the low of this right here, which is support and resistance. That's another thing I teach you in my manual. where to take profits if the target is small. Okay? Stop was 22 pips. You would have reached your target. Okay? Then if you would have done another trade, well, as you can see, it was a nice big trade all the way up. Went up 100 pips. Okay? But like I said, one and done. You would have been one and done. Now, the next trade, okay, would have been, okay, up here it's showing a trade, but you wouldn't buy up here because resistance is right there. You don't buy at the top. You sell at the top and buy at the bottom of the valley. You buy at the bottom of the valleys. You sell at the top of the peaks, the mountain peaks, as we call them. So, here's the trade right here. You would have got short right here. Went down 63 pips. You had a 53, 54 pip stop up there. You would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. And here's another setup here. It was a buy fake, as you can see, and then they took it back down again. And that's pretty much it. So anyway, once again, this is Jason here from ForexPipSnager 2.0. If you haven't picked up your copy, okay, I urge you to click the link below this video, okay? And also, if you like this video, please click on the like button, and please join my channel. You know, it's there for you to join so that the next time I do a video, you'll be on the list and you'll get my next video. Okay? I teach good trading ethics, no bullshit here. So if you're looking to, you know, find a trading system that works, if you follow the rules, ForexPipSnager 2.0 is the system. Okay? So once again, if you haven't picked up your copy yet, click the link below and pick up your copy. Have yourself a great weekend, and we'll see you next Tuesday. Take care.